Okay, video cut me off. I was talking too much, I guess. We won't have much longer of this. So we look at this last curve that we were looking at. It moved right 4 and up 1. And I said I know it's a quadratic. So right 4 is squared, up 1, so it's a 1 on the outside. So that's my piecewise for this one. This next problem again, I've got 3 functions because I have 3 parts to my graph. I have this, I have from there to there, and I have there. Now it looks like 2 of these are going to be basic horizontal lines, and one of them is an absolute value function. So from negative infinity to negative 3, with a bracket because it's solid, looks like I'm at y equals 3. From negative 3 to positive 3, I'm an absolute value function. It has not been flipped, and it has not been shifted left or right, but it did get shifted 1 unit up. And then the final blue graph, from 3 with a bracket to infinity, looks like I'm at y equals 6. So the very last function, again, I've got 3 piecewise functions. So from negative infinity to negative 2, open circle. Then again, negative 2, bracket because it's closed, all the way to 2, another bracket. And then the last one is at 2 with a parentheses because it's an open circle to infinity. Now let's figure out what these actual functions are. The first function, this yellow one, go ahead and color these so it's easier for me to describe. Okay, the yellow function is a linear function. First thing we can do is figure out the slope. Well, my slope is negative 1. And I want to figure out when is it going to cross the y-axis. If I keep going over 1, it's going to cross it at 1, so that gives me negative x plus 1. The green is obviously a cubic that has not been shifted at all. So that is just x to the 3rd power. And then the blue is a square root function. It has not been flipped at all. It moved from my original parent function starting point of 0, 0. It moved right 2 and up 1. So what I want you to do now is work on the piecewise function practice, and for homework and whatever time you have left in class, I want you to complete that. I'm also giving you the homework that was supposed to be completed last night, but we ran out of time in class, so I didn't make you do it. But I want you to do that as well between now and Tuesday and check your answers. All of these keys are online, so try to get as much of this stuff done as you can, because we do have an assessment, a major assessment over everything next week. We'll probably do a check-in on Tuesday to see where you are with it.